Hello everyone, my name is Sara Jamshidi. I am publisher and producer for Go2 News. It's a news website where we write about modest fashion via peace journalism. And this is my channel. This is my first video, my channel called Peace Talk with Sarah. And welcome to the channel. The reason that I would love to talk with you is because of the imminent danger that I feel is coming out towards us of the conflict that is brewing. The conflict between my adopted country that I adore and love and my home country which I adore and love, between the United States and Iran. So many people ask me about what's life in Iran, how people live, what are their daily, day-to-day whereabouts, and how they just do the business of living. And so many people who know me know that I have very interesting story about me growing up in Tehran, in Iran, and the phase that I went through, the phase of revolution, war between Iran and Iraq, and then being a journalist, being a women rights advocate, and all of those. So because of that, I truly decided to do this video. I'm calling it a Peace Talk with Sarah. It's because I honestly do not want to talk about war, and I want to talk about peace, and I'm going to tell you how exactly this is going to go about. But this is more about giving you information about people, day-to-day life, and about my own story as I was growing up in Tehran, in Iran. In fact, just today, this evening, I'm going to give a speech in Rotary, Seattle, where I live, about the day-to-day life of Iranians in Iran, and particularly in Tehran. And I am not going to just stay with war, and I'm going to talk about peace, and for that I need your help. I need your help. So we are starting a podcast program. I mean, in my team, we are still deciding about what to call the podcast, but I believe we are so much tempted to call it Peace Media Podcast. And in that, we are planning to interview individuals who are contributing to the world peace. Individuals who are cautiously thinking about how to make the world a better place through the work that they do. The work can be, these people can be artists, filmmakers, writers, and entrepreneurs, whoever has peace in their mission and driven to I'm repeating myself, but I think it's very important to make the world a better place. So if you know anyone of this capacity, someone who is doing amazing work in peace arena, please let us know about this particular person. It doesn't have to be a man or woman, but it needs to be someone who speaks English, because we are staying in the English speaking platform, so it has to be a language that we all speak. We hope that we can move to other languages like Arabic or Farsi perhaps, or Turkish, or maybe Hebrew. But for the time being, we have to stay with English. So let us know if you know anyone who is doing a peace work in the work that they do. Going back to, so unfortunately, I think there is always war before peace happens. But I truly hope that war never happens, and I truly hope that the things that it's going on, it's not going to take place between United States and Iran. But this is imminent, and this is something is brewing. I'm hoping that we in the United States be smart to not let things get out of hand. And I think Iranians be more cooperative in terms of not putting the life of so many people in danger. I've been in war. I've been in war zones. I've been in conflict, and I know how it goes. It's usually a casualty is usually of civilians. It's usually women. It's usually children, and it's usually people who cannot defend themselves by weapons and guns. So I truly hope that we do not go there. But for the time being, we are going to talk about peace, and we are going to talk about, you know, how it's like to be Iranian, living in Iran and growing up in Iran, and perhaps the challenges that some of us feel in the United States. I am super excited about the channel. I am super excited to talking with you. I think I'm going to come back in 5 days. I try to put up a video every five days, and then I just need to tell you that this is not it is not a polished video. It's just me, you, and I am not doing any kind of editing. It's my camera, it's my phone actually, and then it's myself in front of this camera and just talking with you. But and it's basically a raw footage. I'm not doing any kind of editing because I don't know how to do video editing. I know how to do audio editing. That's why we are starting the podcast, but I do not know how to do video. So you get the message. It's raw clip, and I'm gonna come back to talk about peace, to talk about people who are, and I would love your contribution to this platform. So send us email editor@goldtune.com if you know someone in this capacity. And yeah, I think I hope that I covered everything that I wanted to share, and hopefully to see you very soon. Thank you so much.